How's it going, everybody? I have a new video here on something I purchased off of Amazon. It is a center console storage tray. It goes right above the head unit here. It was only about 20 bucks or so. I ordered it off of Amazon and I got it yesterday. And I thought I'd put together a quick install video. It should only take a few seconds. You really just plop this right in place here. So here's how it comes. It comes in a bag, but I already took that out. So yeah, this is the insert. All right. Looks, pretty high quality. I mean, it's regular quality plastic, and it has little two sticky things on the side, which I read are optional. So I'm gonna not use them here, but kind of just to hold it in place. And it also comes with two, non-slip mats to fit inside. Yeah, so here's one goes here. There it goes. There goes one like that. The other goes like this. There we go. It also comes with a little cleaning pad here to help make it stick a little bit better, which I'm not going to do. So yeah, from my understanding, you just literally plop this right in place here to kind of give it an extra location to kind of put your sunglasses or whatever. But yeah, you simply slide it over the unit here. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, that's it. Really only took a couple of seconds. Yeah, I could put the little stickies on. Maybe I'll do that later and see if this moves around at all. But it actually is pretty secure. But yeah, that's how it looks. Fits right over. That's actually a really, really nice fit. So you can put sunglasses in there, or keys, or whatever. So I actually have a pair of sunglasses here. Put that there we go. So it's you can see how deep it is. It's actually just an extra nice little storage compartment, which is pretty cool. All right, thanks.